All right, we're getting ready to drop in on what's called the Big Boss Trail. It's the only black diamond here. It looks like a flow trail actually, which is like machine excavated built. Some of the jumps on it are like pretty big, like 20-25 foot gaps. So at least tabletops, not gaps. So it might be pretty hard to clear, especially first time through blindsiding it, but we'll try. This is a good flow trail. Oh, gonna have to come back and gap that. This guy is the huge one. Got a little bit of a dead zone. Probably wouldn't be if I knew what I was doing. Got for the roots. A little double. Oh. Wipe out the lens. A little bit sketchy actually if I don't know where the gaps are. Hopefully it came out good on the GoPro. Another gap. Ooh. Keep it low. Ooh, now we're into some rowdiness. Ooh. Oh, did I not go the right way? I don't think I went the right way, but whatever.